What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at TurboCoin, and TurboCoin has been absolutely exploding over the past few days. Since the start of October, it's already done over a 2x, and compared to all the other meme coins, it's performing phenomenally well. If we take a look at SHIB, it's not really moved as much as Turbo has in October. If we take a look at Pepe, also the same. Doge, also the same, even Doge is sort of like a stable coin amongst meme coins. And Dog with Hat is only the real comparable one, as it has been doing quite well, throughout September to October. However, today's video is fully based on Turbo, and let's dive straight in. So you can see here already, we had the all-time high previously from May, which it absolutely blew past super easily. Like, we even created a bullish order block right here with this candle here. I'll mark it on. So we have a bullish order block here, which was created from this huge move up. And essentially, there's been so much buying pressure on Turbo that, gone into price discovery and not really found a resistance yet. However, by using the Fibonacci tool, we can estimate that the next really sort of resistance is going to be this 1.618 area. And this is where we should look to find some resistance and finally a slight sell-off. Now, a healthy move for Turbo would be for us to actually come down and retest this area right here as a support zone, or even for us to come down to this order block, mitigate it before seeing the move back up to a new all-time high. It looks like the accumulation phase for Turbo was quite good. We had this rough consolidation here, which was a lot of accumulation for larger buyers. You can see here with the lows, and then we obviously had the final accumulation phases here and here before seeing the move up. Now, the one thing I will say about Turbo is that there is a lot of FOMO right now in the market, and I wouldn't be buying right now as it's up over 3% today, and overall in the past 2 days it's up like 40%. So I wouldn't be looking to buy right now, simply because there's a lot of FOMO in the market and you're going to be buying near the top, and it's overall just better to buy on a red day than it is to buy on a green day. So what we're going to be looking for on Turbo is, again, some sort of retracement, even if it's not from this high right here. This could well be the all-time high for now on Turbo. We're going to be looking to come back down to at least the previous all-time high, but preferably this order block right here for some sort of short-term trade where we can find buys at this area and then look to long. Now, we also need to take a look at Bitcoin, as Bitcoin has seen quite a large move up today. Previously during the day it was up nearly 2%, whilst the entire market is down. You can see the S&P is down 0.5%. Crypto is performing really well. I must say I didn't expect it to perform this well, but as we talked about in yesterday's video, Bitcoin is starting to break out of this channel right here, and it actually broke out yesterday with the daily candle closing above, which was very bullish. And obviously if the weekly candle closes in the next 4 days, then that will essentially show us that we are looking strong and that we should look to head to new all-time high, which will be extremely bullish for every single coin. So back to Turbo we go. Now, again, there's still a lot of days left on the week, so the weekly candle still has a lot of movement to go through, which means for the next few days we could see some slight selling off, not only for Bitcoin but also for Turbo, until we come down to the support area, where towards the latter course of the week we should start to see a pickup in buys. Now, personally, I'm not going to be looking to buy Turbo for the long term. I'm simply going to be looking to take a quick trade on it. I'm not really a fan of holding these meme coins for the long term, unless it's a meme coin backed by a proper community like Doge, like SHIB, like Pepe. These coins have real backing by a real community, and it has a lot of foundation, whereas these newer coins like Turbo, like Dogs, like Hamster Combat, they're really too new to have built a community behind them, and that is essentially why they're in such heavy downtrends. Now, Turbo is actually one of the only coins, even though it's not that new, it launched in 2023, it's performing really well. Even after the sell-off from its launch, it consolidated for a while. Some news came out, it pumped, consolidated, pumped, from news again, consolidation, and then obviously some news caused this huge spike up. So it seems like it's performing quite well, and it could very well be a good coin to hold for the long term. However, that is just not my play in my strategy. But if you do want to get my strategy and all the coins I'm holding for the long term and buying even more of, and even trading, then you can check out the Discord down below, because we're posting all of that information in there. And the trades we're hitting are just absolutely insane. You can see them on the screen right now. We're beating the market by a mile. So if you want to be getting all of those trades, then check out the Discord down below and join up. But yeah, back to Turbo. That's essentially my outlook for Turbo. So we're going to be looking for the move to come back down to hit this order block, get some sort of buys in at this area, you know, something like this with stop losses. You know, this is a very big stop loss at 18%. So maybe we would want to put it to this wick high right here and then take profits. I like to be quite modest, might take profits on at least these shorter term trades. So I wouldn't be putting it at the all-time high here, or at the previous all-time high. I'd really look to target maybe 2R, so 2 risk reward. But again, we'll have to see with how the price action plays out on this downward move to get a better idea of the trade we're going to take. If you do need a place to trade Turbo or any other crypto, make sure to check out the exchanges down below. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.